Let's explore the ncdu command, which stands for ncurses disk usage. It's an interactive disk usage analyzer that helps you navigate and understand how your disk space is being utilized. It provides an interactive interface for analyzing disk usage patterns. You can easily browse directories and files using keyboard shortcuts. It helps you identify large files and directories that are consuming significant disk space. Before using ncdu, you need to install it on your system. ncurses disk usage, also known as ncdu, is a disk usage analyzer with a curses interface. It is designed to find space constraints on a remote server where you don't have a graphical interface. Here are the installation commands for different Linux distributions. For Debian or Ubuntu, use the command sudo apt install ncdu. For Red Hat, CentOS or Fedora, use the command sudo yum install ncdu. For Arch Linux, use the command sudo pacman sync ncdu. Now let's look at the basic usage of the ncdu command. To scan and analyze the current directory, simply type ncdu in your terminal. To scan and analyze a specific directory, use the command ncdu followed by the path to the directory. For example, ncdu /path /to /directory. To scan the root directory without crossing file system boundaries, use the command ncdu-x/. This is useful for analyzing a single file system. To run ncdu in read-only mode, which prevents accidental deletions, use the command ncdu-r/home. Once ncdu is running, you can navigate through the file system using the keyboard. Use the up and down arrow keys to move the cursor up and down. Press Enter to open a selected directory. Use the left arrow key to go to the parent directory. Press D to delete the selected file or directory. Press Q to quit ncdu. Here's a preview of the ncdu interface. It shows the disk usage of various directories and files with an interactive display. ncdu offers advanced options for exporting, importing, filtering, and exclusion. To export scan results to a JSON file, use the command ncdu-o disk_usage.json/home. This is useful for saving scan results for later analysis. To import and analyze previously saved scan results, use the command ncdu-f disk_usage.json. To exclude files matching a pattern from the scan, use the command ncdu-exclude =*log/var. To exclude patterns listed in a file, use the command ncdu-exclude from =exclude.txt/. ncdu provides several interactive features for file management and sorting. Press D to delete the selected file or directory. This requires confirmation before deletion. Press I to show detailed information about the selected item. Press B to spawn a shell in the current directory. You'll return to ncdu when the shell is exited. Press E to show or hide hidden files, also known as .files. You can also sort the display by various criteria. Press N to sort by file name alphabetically. Press S to sort by file size, largest first. Press capital C to sort by item count. Directories with the most files will be listed first. Press R to reverse the current sort order. Here are some practical examples of how to use ncdu in real-world scenarios. To find large log files, use the command ncdu-var/log. This will quickly identify large log files that are consuming disk space. To analyze user home directories, use the command ncdu-home. This helps you find which users are consuming the most disk space. To analyze a remote server's disk usage locally, use the command /user at server ncdu-o-pipe ncdu-f-. To create compressed exports for historical tracking, use the command ncdu-0xo-root/disk_usage.json. Here are some additional resources for learning more about ncdu. The official documentation can be accessed via man ncdu. The project website is located at https://devfilnl/ncdu. The GitHub repository is located at https://github.com/rofl0r/ncdu. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.